If you're building a deck, you want something that looks incredible and lasts a lifetime. That's Ipe. Ipe is one of the hardest woods on the planet. With a Janka hardness of 3684 pounds force, it's nearly 3 times harder than oak and over 10 times harder than cedar. Scratches, dents, heavy foot traffic, Ipe handles it all without breaking a sweat. And durability? Ipe decks last up to 75 years or more. That's not marketing, it's proven. Boardwalks and bridges built with Ipe in the 1960s are still standing strong today. What really sets Ipe apart is its natural protection. No chemical treatments needed. Ipe is naturally resistant to rot, mold, insects, and even fire. It carries a Class A fire rating, the same as concrete and steel. Compare that to the alternatives. Composite decking lasts 15 to 25 years. Cedar gives you maybe 15 to 20. Pressure-treated pine? 10 to 15 at best. Ipe outlasts them all, by decades. And it's beautiful. Fresh-cut Ipe has a rich, chocolate brown color with stunning grain variations. Want to keep that look? Oil it once a year. Prefer zero maintenance? Let it weather to an elegant silver-gray patina. Either way, the wood remains structurally perfect. Ipe is also one of the safest decking materials you can choose. Its tight grain provides natural slip resistance, even when wet. And unlike composite, Ipe stays noticeably cooler in direct sunlight. Yes, Ipe costs more upfront, but here's the math. Over 50 years, you'd replace a composite deck 2 to 3 times. With Ipe, you build once and you're done. That makes Ipe the lowest total cost option over the life of your home. Visit ipewoods.com to explore Ipe decking sizes, profiles, and pricing. Ipe Woods USA, America's trusted source for premium hardwoods.